My friends on the dais, Mr. Janeja, Mr. Malhotra, Mr. Sangeeta, Mr. Sharma, ladies, gentlemen, and young students. It's my privilege to be a participant in this marketing summit. I have been a marketing man through and through. From the very early days, when I started my career, I started as a marketing man with LIC of India as a junior officer. The theme of this session is whether small companies should collaborate with the bigger companies to be a success. Our reply to this is a strong no. Companies need not collaborate with bigger companies to be a success. They can be a bigger success of their own. In addition to Sonalika, there are dozens of examples. And the most popular example is Nirma. Nirma has beaten Hindustan Lever hollow. It's no more a trade secret. Hindustan Lever has to change their policies to compete with Nirma. And the USP of Nirma is being used today by Hindustan Lever. Surprising, you will see an advertisement on the TV channels. A child falls on the floor and he comes back crying to the mother. Mother, my clothes are dirty, I have fallen. She says, don't worry, son, prices of surf have also fallen. So, if you have fallen, there is no surprise. The USP of Nirma was price. And today they are using the same USP. Companies like Hindustan Lever. So if you have a strong willpower, determination, will to win, you can beat the competition of any magnitude. Leave aside the corporates. If you have a goal, any dream, and work for it diligently, devotedly, nobody can stop you for achieving that goal. My personal experience. As a junior officer, I was called to attend a training session at Bombay. LIC Training Center was at Bombay. So before a few days of the completion of the course, a question was put to every trainee, what you want to be in life. Somebody said, I want to be regional manager, I want to be divisional manager, I want to be branch manager or zonal manager or director. When my turn came, I said, I want to be the chairman. Everybody laughed. The principal said, Mr. Mittal, it's only an IAS officer these days who can be the chairman of LIC. How you can be the chairman? Okay, if no LIC, let it be some other progressive limited company. He said, jokingly, he said, there's no vacancy for you at the moment. I said, don't worry, sir. When the time comes, I'll find out my opportunity, my vacancy. And today I'm the chairman of 24 limited companies. So friends, no dream is too big. You have only to decide for yourself what you want to be in life. And if you want to achieve your goals, whether as a corporate or as individual, I see most of youngsters sitting here, so I can't restrain myself by giving another advice. By completing your course, MBA or MC or whatever it is, it's not the end of it. It's the beginning of your life. You have to decide what you want to be. And if you want that your all dreams should be realized, must have the blessings of your seniors, your parents, your grandparents, your teachers. So friends, now coming back to the subject, Sonalika. Sonalika is a story of from 5,000 rupees to 5,000 crores. We started this venture with just 5,000 rupees. We decided to do something for the farming community. जो सारे देश को अन्न देता है, उसको भी अन्न मिलना चाहिए. That was our feeling. My father was a food grain dealer, so we had very compassion for the farming community. So to start with, we saw that the crop which is harvested is lying in the field for a couple of months before the grain is taken out. And the grain was taken out by trampling the crop by the bullocks. It used to take a couple of months. In the meantime, rainstorm comes and everything is blown off. So we thought there should be a machine who can process this crop within a matter of days instead of months. We designed the machine in 60s when nobody knew about there can be a thresher, crop thresher. We made 50 machines and it was a flop. 48 machines came back duly rejected by the farmers. 2 machines had gone far off. They couldn't come back. So all our money was lost. Everything was lost. But we did not give up. We tried again with many more permutations, combinations. We made many machines and tried them, then again make them and try them. And ultimately, we could make a machine which could thresh the crop to the entire satisfaction of the customers. And that became the first Sonalika crop thresher of India. A new invention in the history of the country. All the farmers were feeling grateful. Most of the problem was solved by one machine. They were coming to us in Panchayat, sir, give us the machine for our village. I say, it's a limited one. They would request, okay, give one machine for the whole village, not for the farmers. Like this, it was selling like hotcakes. And then the request came for other agriculture machines one by one. All machines which are required for farm mechanization was made by Sonalika one by one and contributed completely to the green revolution of India, which happened in 60s. So friends, there are 2 lessons here for you. One is that the blunder we committed, we made the machines and sold to the customers without testing in-house. Don't sell any product unless it is tested in-house. Before it goes to the customer, you test it as a customer in your own factory. And the second lesson, don't give up. If you fail in the first attempt, continue your efforts. Success will come. It will definitely come. Stumbling stones can become your stepping stones. And stepping stones can become your milestones, provided there is a will to win.